In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in full screen on Zoom for Windows, making sure you have an uninterrupted view as soon as you connect. There's nothing quite like being fully immersed in a meeting without any distractions, and Zoom allows you to do this with a simple keystroke. We'll walk through the entire process, and by the end, you'll be equipped with a handy little shortcut that will make your transition into meetings smooth and seamless. First, let's talk about joining the meeting on Zoom. You'll begin by opening the Zoom application on your Windows computer. If you're using another device, note that these instructions might differ slightly. However, we're focusing on Windows today. Once you have Zoom open, you should see the option to join a meeting. You might join by clicking a link shared by your meeting organizer, or you might enter a meeting ID if you have one. Enter any required passwords or information as prompted. Now that you've joined your meeting, the next step is to enter full screen. Why full screen, you ask? Well, entering full screen allows you to focus entirely on the meeting without being distracted by other open applications or notifications. When you're in full screen, your Zoom meeting takes up your entire screen, putting you right in the center of the action. It's especially useful for meetings with lots of visual content, such as presentations or webinars. Once you're in the meeting, it's incredibly easy to switch to full screen without missing a beat. You simply have to press the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F. That's Alt, as in the alternative key, and the letter F. As soon as you do that, the Zoom application will instantly switch to full screen mode. This is a great time to ensure your keyboard is close by, as this shortcut saves time and effort. Just like that, you've taken a few simple steps to enhance your Zoom experience. This quick shortcut can greatly improve your productivity and engagement in your meetings. Of course, if you need to exit full screen for any reason, you can always press the escape key or use the same shortcut again, depending on your preferences and what your meeting requires. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to join your Zoom meetings in full screen on a Windows computer. By following this simple process, you can make sure that every Zoom meeting you attend provides a rich, immersive experience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this tip helps make your Zoom interactions a little bit smoother, and as always, happy Zooming!